everybody, and welcome back to CJL Aviation. It would be much appreciated if you could take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. But today we will be looking at the Gemini jets, Boeing 757-200 in the Trump livery. In today's video, we're going to set politics aside and admire what truly is a beautiful aircraft. The 757 has always been my favorite commercial jet, and the Trump livery just looks beautiful on it. So let's take a look at this box. So this is your pretty standard Gemini jets box. We got the Trump logo on there in a nice beautiful gold color, and we got, of course, the aircraft on the front. Inside we've got some information. Feel free to pause if you want to read that. But there we got the plane, looking good. All that standard phraseology on the side. 757-200, adult collectible model. As real as it gets, and they are not lying about that. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and take a look inside. Here we go, taking out of the box. We'll set that aside for now. And let's see if I can get this open. All right, I decided to spare you guys the trouble of watching me open that box, but here we go. There's our first look. So far, just fantastic. The level of detail that they include on Gemini jets never ceases to amaze me. On the front, we got the Trump lettering, and on the tail, we got the American flag. And this is actually the updated Trump livery. Previously, there was a red T on the tail, but now it has the American flag. But let's take a closer look. All right, here's a closer side view. We can see that they included the antennas on top as well as the Wi-Fi dome on top. And we can see the Rolls-Royce logo on the engine. Great detail. Love those Rolls-Royce engines. And we got the tail number. We got N757AF, as well as that American flag once again. And here's a look at the other side. Pretty much the same. Once again, beautiful. And finally, here's a look at the bottom of the aircraft. It does have landing gear that roll, so that's another nice feature, but we got the little panels that cover the landing gear when they retract. Lots of other markings underneath the tail. All I can say is a very wonderful and beautiful job by Gemini Jets. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you some beautiful photos of this aircraft. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Wrap things up and give you my opinion on this model. Gemini Jets did a fantastic job on this. I would highly recommend purchasing it just because the 757 mold just looks perfect and the livery is just stunning on here. So if you're looking for a great addition to your model aircraft fleet and you want some variety and diversity, I would definitely recommend purchasing this aircraft. But thank you guys for watching today. Once again, it would be amazing if you could leave a comment, let me know what you think of this video, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.